Welcome to another week of Pree Dis. This week it's all about music videos, interviews, fashion, beauty and lifestyle, all coming up within the next half an hour. I'm your host Michaela Leana and Pree Dis starts right now. We kick off this week's show with highlights from the Pepsi Refresh Tour, which hit Hope Gardens in St. Andrew. We have the highlights, so check it out.
I used to travel and the gravel, now different pieces. Now the chain on my neck, ain't a shot. Lord Jesus.
Enough respect goes out to Pepsi for having Ching Ching on board. And I really enjoying every movement and every step of the Pepsi Refresh Tour.
The tour itself is a great experience, you know what I mean? Great thing Pepsi do right now, we love that, you know what I mean? We're going into some fest with a whole heap of energy, you know what I mean? Enough energy, because you don't know some fest that and the world will be watching. So it's a good look.
What do you thought about your performance and the reception you got tonight?
Well, I like my performance, you know what I mean? And judging from the reception, the people, I also like the performance, is it? So yeah, we just go and capitalize on that and just go and enhance on that same way.
What do you have to say to Pepsi?
Well, to Pepsi, we have to say, yo, give thanks for the opportunity, you know what I mean? Because, you know, reach a whole heap of youths and it's a good look.
The reception was amazing. I enjoyed every moment of the stage. And you know, what more? You know, I love performing for my fans. And that is the greatest feeling.
That's what they see, we are seeing with the party. Unholy party, girls are moving party. Step in the club, the vibes are we started. Trees in our business, let me roll it up.
I think that we've gotten some really good performances from the different artists. Ching Ching, as always, is very good. So is Kaleido, Danique, you know, IKEA, always powerful. And Rain Civil doing her thing, and Zaga, who always starts us off on a positive note. So we're looking forward to some exciting stuff at Sumfest. Like we've told everybody, we have purchased over 1,000 tickets. And so you just need to buy your Pepsi and you have a chance of winning to come to Saturday night. So it's not only about the Pepsi Refresh Hour at Saturday night, but you also have Common and you also have Jennifer Hudson who's going to be there. So it's going to be a big night. And a big night for us because we're going to go hard. We've said to the artists, hey, listen, come out, bring your A game, bring your A game plus. Because we think it's going to be an exciting period. Pepsi is a brand, it's an international brand, and music is an essential part of our DNA. So if you talk about music globally, you're talking about our sponsoring and being a part of the lives of a Michael Jackson, of a Beyonce, of a Bruno Mars, of a Nicki Minaj, and that's where we are. And so we're taking it and we're saying to our people who are drinking Pepsi all the time, thank you very much for your support, thank you for your love. I want to ask you to continue drinking Pepsi, but we're going to bring something special to the event. It's not going to be, another stage show. We're going to bring an excitement to it. We're going to bring a level of performance that goes beyond what people have seen normally. You know, it's going to be exciting.
Chin, part owner of VP Records, was honored last month in New York at the Libera Awards. We were there for the awards, so check out the highlights.
So VP has become, with all the work put in by Pat Chin, has become the world's largest reggae label and publisher, and now has satellite offices ready for this in Johannesburg, Kingston, Rio de Janeiro, London, Tokyo, and Toronto.
As I look around the audience, I imagine that many of you are asking yourself, who is this Chinese lady with this Jamaican accent? And what is VP Records? Okay, my name is Patricia Chin. And this is a story about VP Record, and it's all about a woman behind the scene and her journey for the past 50 years doing reggae music. My late husband Vincent and I started a retail business selling used jukebox records. We became successful from the profits. We started Randy's Records Mart in 1958 in the heart of downtown Kingston, Jamaica. It was a wondrous time. We witnessed the birth of reggae music. We started VP Records Distributed. Yes, it was named after myself and my husband Vincent and Patricia. We didn't know any other name, so we said, just give it Vincent and Pat, VP Records. When I reflect back, independent at this time really meant interdependent. The sweat and unveiling dedication of my late husband and my children, extended family, faithful employees, and heartfelt reggae fans who themselves followed us from Jamaica and helped build our business and made it possible to achieve our own American dream. For that, I share this award with all of them.
Lifetime Achievement Award, what does it mean to you?
Oh, it means so much. After working 60 years in the music business and to be recognized, it's a great feeling.
What would you say has been the highlight over the 60 years?
Well, just seeing the artists developing and shine is the most beautiful thing, because it's not easy for them to make that step, and when they do well, I feel good also. I love to see them start and they shoot off, and it makes me feel good. And because I'm a Jamaican and I work with Jamaicans, I feel very blessed when one of the artists does well.
Was there any time at all throughout the 60 years that felt like giving up any at all?
No, you know, if it's not the artists, the producers, and the people I meet along the way, my customers, my friends, the people who protected us down North Parade, all my friends on the counter that sell vegetables, I never forget those days. They are part of who I am. They are part of who made VP where we are.
Before we head to our first commercial break, let's listen up to some health benefits of drinking True Juice Mango Orange Pineapple.
True Juice Mango Orange Pineapple Juice is a blend of 3 different fruits in one bottle. Among its health benefits are vitamin C, which can help you prevent colds and flu, boosts immune system, reduces risk of cardiovascular diseases, and potassium, which helps to promote your body's kidney functions. True Juice Mango Orange Pineapple is a triple dose of healthy living.